Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's BoxyCharm time. So the Luxe box always comes so late. I'm always like, is it even gonna come this month? You know, I looked at my hair elastic like it was a watch and it was gonna tell me what day it is. It's like the 28th of September. I think it's like the 28th of September. I don't have a calendar in front of me. Anyway, it came in September, so we'll give them that because it hasn't always gone that way, but it is Luxe month. So we got our big box, love that. Let's dive straight in. We've waited long enough. So I will preface this video by saying something has leaked inside of the box. There's like some stuff on the inside of here. So we'll see what that is soon. So the theme this month is Fall Luxe. Love a little fall moment. I don't think the themes really mean anything anymore, but I do love that little fall themed card. So first things first, yep, I found the leaking thing. Okay, we'll get to that in a minute. But first things first, I have a lip product here from Rare Beauty. So this is the With Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm. And it's supposed to be a hydrating lip balm with a dewy, buildable color that looks and feels so good your lips will thank you. So I did choose this item. So before filming this video, I did crack this puppy open and put it on. So I didn't have anything on my lips and I knew there was a lip product in here because I had chosen it. So I decided to just have a little sneak peek myself before I started here. Now I have the shade called Blessed, which looks pretty like corally in the tube, but as you can see on my lips, it's quite pink on, but this is what it looks like swatched. So it really does just feel like a lip balm. Very hydrating. It's not sticky or anything like that. I do like the Rare Beauty packaging. They've got it sort of flat on one side and round on the other. So if you set it on your vanity, it's not gonna roll off. I kind of like that. Very easy to open. There was quite a few Rare Beauty items to choose from in the Luxe box this month. There was some eyeshadow palettes. There was this product here. I think her like blotting papers were in there and maybe a brow product. But I've heard some good things about her lip products and nothing else that I saw was really, like there's quite a few products from Rare Beauty that I'd like to try. And this is the only one. This was the only one that I had kind of in my mind that I saw pop up as a choice. So I decided to go for this. I do really like it. I think this is gonna be good, like a good lip product to wear underneath of my mask. We are back to wearing masks full time here where I live, so it's coming at a good time. So really liking that so far. This is valued at $16. I really like the way it feels. I'll see how it wears throughout the day. I could definitely see buying another shade of this if I decide that I like it and it works well under my mask. It's very comfortable. Really, really liking that so far. I will say one thing though. I have this taste in my mouth since I put it on. You know, do you remember lipsticks from our youth? How, I say our youth, from my youth, they had that lipstick flavor, you know, like, I can't put my finger on it, but if you know, you know. And I do find that this has that a little bit. It has a little bit of a lipsticky taste to it. I don't know if that's a deal breaker for you or not, but something to note. Okay, moving on from there, we have a product from Iconic London. This was the other choice item. I can't remember what the other choice items were next to this. I don't normally like to get mascaras in boxes because I just know what I like when it comes to mascaras, but it seems to me of the three options, this was like the one I might actually use. So this is the Iconic London Triple Threat Mascara. It's valued at $26. It's supposed to be a weightless formula that volumizes, lengthens, and lifts the lashes. And give you a dramatic, fluttery look. We shall see. It's got a slim brush, dense bristles, separates and coats lashes evenly. It's supposed to give you like a false lash effect. I do love the packaging. Love that like kind of chrome silver packaging. My hands, there's stuff on my hands because something leaked in the box. I just wanted to see what the wand looked like. Oh. I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't that. Wow. Where are the bristles? Interesting. Ooh. I don't usually love these kind of rubbery ones. I've never seen one with so few and such short little bristles on it. Anyway, I will let you guys know about this in future speed reviews. I am sort of coming on due to open a new mascara, so I will be trying this out very soon. $26 is generally more than I would ever spend on a mascara, but if it's nice, I will enjoy it and use it, right? Okay, everything's so dirty inside of this box. Okay, so, oh my gosh. Like the boxes are, the writing is like rubbing off the boxes because everything's sticky. Okay, what is this video? We are a mess. Okay, so we have the Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. This is valued at $57. It's supposed to be a soft and luxurious whipped cream with encapsulated probiotics activated by prebiotics for healthy and radiant looking skin. So, ingredients look good. It's got glycerin, it's got niacinamide, it's got shea butter. It's got some good ingredients in there. I do see denatured alcohol pretty high up, which I don't love. I need a tissue. We've gotten quite a bit of Saturday Skin products in BoxyCharms, and so far I've liked everything that I've tried. We got, I think it was the Glacial Water Cream at one point in time. I loved that. It was like a really nice lightweight gel moisturizer. This one I imagine is going to be much thicker. Ooh, it does kind of look like whipped cream, doesn't it? I just wanted to test a little on my hand here. Love the packaging. It's almost like a white iridescent jar. Kind of love that. Okay. No noticeable scent. Maybe like a hint of citrus. And it's not heavy. Like I thought it was going to be like a heavy cream. It's not. It's really, really lightweight. Doesn't have like a greasy residue at all. I think that's going to be really, really nice. I've generally had good luck with skincare that has probiotics in it. So very excited to give that a try. I usually like to go in the order on the card, but I see the thing that's leaking and I want to get it out of here. Oh my gosh, this is, okay. So this is from the Lyfestyle Co. It's the Bamboo Body Polish. This is valued at $49. And it's a body exfoliant. So we love that. However, it has leaked all over the inside of the box here. So I would say about a quarter of the jar has leaked out inside of the box. So I will contact BoxyCharm. They usually are pretty good about either replacing things that have arrived damaged or like replacing it with charms or whatever. It just sucks because everything in here is like covered. Because it's a scrub, it's almost like sticky and oily at the same time. The product itself, I'm sure, is lovely. It smells really nice. You can really smell it. It does smell really nice. It is vegan and cruelty free. We do love that. And that's all I can really say about that at the moment. I'm just gonna set it over here. I find in general BoxyCharm is really good about packaging things in a way where things don't get damaged, but this in particular, like this is just a loose jar. The lid wasn't on properly. There's no seal inside of the jar, so it just bounced around until it like opened up inside of the box. So everything in the box has scrub all over it, so I don't love that. I feel like that was kind of an oversight in terms of packaging, but we're not gonna let that ruin our day. Also, I don't know about $49 for a jar this size that's for the body. Would not last very long. Okay, moving on. We'll address this one on top because it's a big item. So we've got the Adagio Not So Mini Flat Iron. This is valued at $99, so nice high value. It's got 100% ceramic plates, infrared heat, floating plates, allows you to smoothly straighten and style hair, resulting in shiny, silky, no frizz, manageable hair with unlimited styling potential. Now, I don't, as you guys probably know, if you're not new here, I don't flat iron my hair very often, like rarely, like once a year. I might flat iron my hair. I do have a natural wave to my hair. This is from a French braid. This isn't my natural hair texture. But because I have a natural wave to my hair and my hair is quite frizzy, I just find when I flat iron it, I have to flat iron it like every day. And if I curl it or put it in a braid or something like that, it lasts so much longer. And the other thing is, I don't know how small this is. It says I was just kind of thinking this might be a little small for how much hair I have, but it's actually not that small. I know it says not so many ceramic flat iron. So I haven't decided if I'm going to keep this or not. The flat iron that I do have is well over 12 years old. It's a T3 flat iron. It was very expensive when I bought it, but it has lasted me really well. However, at this point, I mean, it is getting older. So I may decide to keep this and declutter or retire my T3 flat iron, or I may decide to put this in a giveaway or something like that. I haven't decided yet. Does it make sense to keep a brand new flat iron that I'm only going to use once a year? I just don't know. So haven't decided yet. Oh no, I got the body scrub on my top. Okay, well, again, we're not gonna let that ruin our day. So, but this is a great item to get in a BoxyCharm. This is an item that a lot of people could use. Nice high value on it. Looks like a nice iron. The only thing for me is like it just has an on and off setting. I do like to be able to adjust the temperature, but that is like pretty minor. So this is a great item to get in a BoxyCharm, even if it's not something I might find particularly useful. Okay, so next up we have this item here. So this is the Nue Co Defence Drops. This is valued at $35, and it says it's your first line of defense against getting sick. This is an immune boosting tincture. Do you eat this? You do. You definitely do. Okay, I would never. I know a ton of people who do like oregano oil under their tongue when they're sick. I know people do it. I am not one of those people. I would rather take a cold pill if I get sick than take something like this. So I'm not gonna break the seal because I know I was gonna open it and smell it and, you know, try to determine what it would taste like. But truly, I know I'm not gonna use this, and I do have a friend who's into these types of like holistic remedies. So I'm gonna tuck this aside for her. This is not something that I would personally use, but I know there is like a market for it. Okay, moving on. We've got a product here from Grace and Stella, and this is the Hot Cold Gel Bead Eye Mask. This is valued at $18. Let's open this puppy up. So this is an eye mask. It's got these like jelly beads in there. Sorry, I'm making a bunch of racket with the packaging. But I don't know if you can see that moving around in there. Okay, I think you can. So it's supposed to soothe and add comfort to your eye area. So you can microwave this if you want it to be heated, or you can put it in the refrigerator to have like a cooling mask. That's definitely how I would use this. So when it's cool, it can help with tired, puffy eyes, wake you up. When it's warm, it aids in getting a relaxing night's sleep, as well as reducing congested sinuses and increasing blood flow to your eye area. So I have puffy eyes, especially in the mornings, and I also have a lot of like sinus congestion because I have like year-round allergies. So I am excited to try this out. This is one of those things where I would never buy this for myself, but I'm excited to try it, you know? So it's kind of like plasticky looking on the front, but then the back is like almost fuzzy. So I think that's gonna feel like really nice on the face. Really excited to try that out, actually, like weirdly excited about that one. And then the last item here, I'm glad that they had it wrapped in bubble wrap, because I feel like this is the one product that could have really gotten ruined from that body polish fiasco. So we've got a contour palette from Cab Cosmetics. This is giant. So this is valued at $60. So it's a matte contour palette that contains 8 silky powders that blend effortlessly into the skin for the perfect contour every time. Okay, let's take a peek at the colors in here. Giant contour palette. I know some people, like, I feel like you either love that or you hate it. For myself, as a working makeup artist, I do love a large palette because instead of having like 5 bronzers in front of me, I could have one palette. Wow, the pans are huge. Wow, those are giant pans. Look how big those are. Oh my gosh. Okay. So we've got a variety of shades here. Looks, I don't know if I would call this a contour palette. I don't really see a contour shade. These to me look very much like bronzers. They're both pretty warm toned. This one's more warm toned, but they both are. You've got sort of like a banana powder over here. You've got a white setting powder over here. The others are, again, like a little bit on the warmer toned side. Wow, they really are silky. Ooh, they feel like butter. Like, I feel like these 4 could really just be setting powders, and then these 2 could be bronzers, and then this one and this one could be under the eyes. I don't know if I would call it a contour palette, but I mean, it's definitely a huge face palette. So excited to give that a try. The powders feel really soft, really buttery, so I think that's gonna blend out really, really nice on the skin. Nice big size, giant mirror. Love that. So cool. I did receive a Cab Cosmetics eyeshadow palette in another BoxyCharm, and I do like it. I did find the mattes performed better than the shimmers, so where this is like an all matte contour palette, I have very high hopes that this is going to be amazing. I think there was also 2 color variations of this, so I definitely would have, yeah, I got volume 1. I believe there was a volume 2 that's a darker version of the same thing. So I hope if you got this, if you have a darker complexion, I hope you get the darker one because this is quite light. Okay, that's it. That's all that's in the box. Let's do some math. Okay, so the overall value of this box was $360. That's a lot. That was high. I think, you know, having the $100 flat iron in there definitely drove up the sort of overall price. Okay, in general, Boxyluxe, I usually get really excited about Boxyluxe, and I was excited for this one to come. I'm only kind of moderately excited about this one. I don't know why. I mean, I know I had this like mess happen that kind of put a damper on things, but it's just an okay one for me this time. I could have done with something other than a mascara. I felt like that was like just okay. The flat iron for me, I think this is a great item for a BoxyCharm, but for me in particular, this isn't something I'm gonna probably use. The tincture, I'm not gonna use that. So, however, in terms of value, I pay about $75 Canadian for the Boxyluxe box. So I have, you know, an $18 eye mask here. I have a $60 contour palette here. I have a, how much was this cream? $57 moisturizer here that I will definitely use. The $16 lip balm I will definitely use. So I got my money's worth for sure. No doubt about that. However, I'm just feeling a little like meh about the whole thing. So we'll see. We'll see how the December Luxe box goes. The December box is usually like the best one of the year. So if the December box is good, I'll keep doing Boxyluxe. But if December is just an okay month, I might downgrade to just regular BoxyCharm and save myself some money. I definitely don't like need any more makeup or skincare, but it's so fun. I really do look forward to getting my box every month. It's like a little treat in the mail. And yesterday was a really tough day, just for me personally and for my business. It was just a tough day. Restrictions and regulations and things that are going on right now. So when the Boxyluxe came in the mail, I was like, I so needed this, you know, I just really needed that boost. So it does bring me joy. So I'd love to hear what you guys got in your Boxyluxe. I didn't see a lot of spoilers this month, so I was curious, like, what was the alternate to the flat iron? What was the alternate to like the iPads? I was curious what some of the other variations were. So if you got some different things in yours, I'd love to hear from you in the comments down below. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye.